everyone, and thanks for joining me today. Well, I have been extra naughty. I was out shopping and I had to go to the range for something, and some things just fell in my basket, so I wanted to share with you my finds for today. And oh my gosh, I found some real goodies. So let me show you what's in these bags. So this is my range haul for today. So firstly, I found, look at this gorgeous trim, £1 a reel, and it is just stunning. And I just thought this would be great on the vintage junk journals, and I thought you could tie it actually around the journal. I just thought that would be great as a enclosure. Do I have one handy? Oh, actually, let me just grab, this is actually a flow journal I'm working on, but how gorgeous would this be to just use as an enclosure for a journal. Like tidied up and all nice, and oh my gosh, can you imagine that, you know, tied up? I can't do it because it's all but how lovely would that be? Look, just tied up in a bow, or just tied around it. That's just gorgeous. You get the idea anyway. And they were only £1. And I love this colour pink, so I got 2 of these because I thought these would be great. And they're that bendy sort of you know, sort of ribbon, so I've got 2 of those. There's the 2 that I got, and you actually get a lot on the reel. You get 3 meters, so that's quite a lot, and it's quite thick, and you could use this on other things as well. So I've got those 2. Let me put that receipt in the bin because that has to disappear. I got some washi tape. I know, like, I don't have enough. Now these were, oh my gosh, I can't remember now how much they were. Let me have a look. So the washi tapes were £3. They were £3 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. £3 for 8. And I like the ones with the words on. What's this one say? Oh, mermaid vibes. I love summer. I don't know what that one says. And then you've got this one which says with love, love is in the air, and they're just gorgeous. Look at those. Oh my gosh. And these ones, I can't read what that one says. Wild and free, wild style, free, wild, I don't know, wild style. I like the little skinny one you get. I like them all. So I got some more washi tapes. I know I don't need any more. I know. And I'm into this pink at the moment. So I actually got 4 lots of washi tape. This one says ideas, and then love this. This is great for your journals. Hello Llama. Good vibes. So, and this one says that love this. Just, I love the wordy ones. I do love wordy washi. That's what I call them, wordy washi. And I do love this pink. So these are £1 a roll. And oh, I got these love hearts as well. These are all £1. But look at these lovely, look, oh, pink eyelash. I don't think I've got any pink eyelash. I can't remember if I do, but anyway, I got all of these that kind of match. So I'm going to do like a real pinky pink journal. Just love this because it's kind of ruched. Oops. So we got those as well. I did get some baskets. These were 50p each because I have my other drawer to sort out. So I got 8 of these, and I'm hoping that these are shallow enough to go in my Alex drawers, so I can put some things in there. So I've got 8 of these baskets, 50p. Not bad at all. I had to get some acetate because I have a project where I need acetate, and actually you get 12 by 12, 10 sheets of 12 by 12 for £5. So actually I only need a little bit for what I'm doing, but I will show you the project that I'm using this on. But my real find of today, OMG, are these creative paper collections. And I did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 2 of those. I'll pull that one out because I don't need to show you it. These are absolutely flipping amazing. They are only £2.99, and let me show you what you get in here. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love, love, love. I mean, actually, you could make a journal just from this paper pad. In fact, you could make a couple, and I'm going to probably show you how to do it in another video. But they're all different kind of themes. And in the front, you get some large sheets of paper, quite thin. So great for journals. Lovely patterned paper. Oops. So there's 4 of those great big pieces. So they would give you a couple of pages for your journal. And then inside, I can't believe these are only £2.99 actually. Inside you then get more paper. I'm not sure what size this is. Let me just have a look, see if it tells you. Right, I'll measure it. Let me measure it for you so I can tell you just how big this is. 7.5 by 9.5. So they are quite big sheets of paper. So you then get these gorgeous papers inside, all different. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Pages, and it's quite thin. Again, gorgeous journal paper, or you can make envelopes out of them. So then you have all that paper, and then you get these lovely cards. Best ever, you make my life so awesome, you're my favorite. So you get a couple of those, and then you get these little diddy ones. Don't judge a book by its cover, happiness blooms from within, see good in all things. And they're double-sided, so you can write on one side and you've got the image on the other. And then you have these plain ones, which would be gorgeous. You could make envelopes out of the paper and then put these little, make little tuck spots. And look at the images on the other side. Aren't these just beautiful? And look at these, loads and loads and loads of cards, and then writing space on the back. And then you've got more of the bigger cards, beautiful images and gorgeous space on the back, and little drawings. And then you've got all of these little squares and circles to decorate and use as tuck spots, and maybe make paper clips. These are just gorgeous. And then you've got some tags already made, and little tuck spots for the top of your pages, all these sort of hexagons, and then more of little tuck spots with writing space. It is just absolutely jam-packed of goodies. I mean, look at these pages and pages, and look at these gorgeous, these are stickers now. You've got a couple of pages of stickers in there, more stickers, and then you've got more paper in the back here. All of these pages here. And Charles, why are you going mad? So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. more pages, and then you have a little more stickers in the back here, some ribbon with the days of the week for your planner, and then you've got like a little gift box, and my cat is going mad, Charles, a little gift box and some ribbon. And each of these packs are different, so get yourself down to the range. These creative paper collections are just awesome. I'm going to flip through very quickly on this one so you can see. And that's the paper in the front, and then you have these gorgeous papers in here. Look at these, aren't they just beautiful? Oh my gosh, so for £2.99 you could probably make a couple of journals. And look at these beautiful cards. Right, some of these do say happy birthday, so you can make them into cards. This says let's have some coffee. So these are great for journaling cards, in your planners, to make journals out of. Look, little postcardy thing. Oh, look at these. They are just, and look at the little girls on there. And lovely flower ones. Just pages and pages. Oh, friendship isn't a big thing. It's a million little things. Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are always there. Hello, beautiful. Just sending you some love. So these are great little cards to send people if you don't want to make a journal out of them. But I am going to be making some journals out of these. Look at these this week, this month. Just your goals, birthdays to remember. Oh, these are just awesome, 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 awesome. And then you've got your little tags, and each one has all of these elements in there. Then your stickers, more stickers, more stickers. This one's got a lot of stickers in, actually. Just gorgeous. Look at these beautiful, beautiful pages. Oh, I'm just obsessed. I'm going to be obsessed with these paper collections. That's the second one. And then the third one. Let's see. Oops. Look at these beautiful pages. I just am in love with these. So if you're stuck for, you know, inspiration for a journal, go get yourself one of these paper pads, paper collections, because everything's there for you. You know, all you need to do is really make a cover. That is it. You have all your journaling cards, you have paper to make envelopes, paper for pages, tuck spots, journal cards. What she tackles, she conquers. Be so good, they can't ignore you. Great big journaling cards. Then you've got your elements here, your tags. Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get my hands in here. And then there's your stickers. 1, 2, 3. So there's actually 4 pages of stickers in them all. And then you've got these gorgeous pages. I'm going through these quick so I don't bore you. And then I have 2 of these ones. I don't know why I got 2 of this one. But this was all that was left there. And I'm afraid that I was worried that they would all sell out. I know. Madness, Chanel, madness. But it was my treat to myself. Beautiful, beautiful papers. Like I said, you can use some of these in birthday cards, or isn't that heart of gold and stardust soul that makes you beautiful? A year older, a year bolder. She had stars in her eyes. Normal is boring dreams. And I love the way they got writing spots on the other side. Look at these. Oh my gosh. I love you more than all the stars. We age not by years, but by stories. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. It's that heart of gold and stardust soul that makes you beautiful. And then, you know, here you've got things on the other side. Love these dream catchers. Dare to dream, dream big. You are my sun, my moon, and all my stars. I love this. And then you've got your star signs on here. Oh my gosh, I mean, there is so many elements in here. I've probably said, oh my gosh, a million times. There's your stickers. Plan, love, wow, hey. Colleen, I know I mentioned your name a lot, but whenever I see anything to do with planners, I think of you. So this would be amazing. Look at these foily hearts and strips and bits and pieces. So I just wanted to share with you my amazing find in the range. So if you have a range near you, definitely worth checking out these paper pads. They are just awesome. So I'm going to go and put all the stuff away. I can't wait to get my hands on them, but I do have another project I have to finish before I do this. So I'm telling myself off because I get sidetracked and I see something else, and then I want to get on with that. And Charles is being a loofers. Hello, Charles. What are you doing? Are you being a baby? Are you wanting some loves? Is Mummy not giving you any attention? Look at him, sprawled out on my desk. So I'm going to put these away, and then I have work to do. Don't we, Charles? And we've got to go and do Daddy's dinner. Yes, you're really not going to help, are you? Because you're a lazy boy, and you don't do anything all day long apart from sleep, eat, and sleep. And have some cuddles. And have some cuddles. Yes, oh, I know. Right, I'm going to go do Daddy's dinner. You come in? And we'll say bye to everyone. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.